Hey there, on this side, are you looking for a way to design and build professionally, fully functional website without needing to code? Welcome to Weweb, the ultimate no-code web development platform designed to ease. And whether you're a beginner or experienced designer, Weweb provide all the tools you need to build a responsive, dynamic website that integrates seamlessly with your favorite tool and platform. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Weweb to design, customize, and deploy your website. So first of all, just go to Google, search for Weweb, just go and click on this first link here. Now let's go to the pricing section because it's going to play a major role here. Here you can see monthly is slightly expensive than annually, that is around 20%. The price could be different as if you're looking or checking this website from different country here, right? The first one is completely free. This is Essential Pro or Partner, right? And it gives you token, right? And the tokens also have a pricing, right? You can buy the extra token, right? And you can just come to this website and you can just exactly you can compare the plan. Now this is for the hosting, right? I will just go and use a free one. So let's go and click on free and sign up. I will use my Google account because that is a easy way to create an account. In your case, if you want, you can go with a simple and a normal email address here. Now here you can select what do you work. So you are a freelancer, startup. What is your primary role? So I'm a no code, right? And you can choose here. Let's say I'm a marketer, something like that, right? How technical are you? Just for this sake of this video, I will just choose here non-technical. How do you hear about us? It's a Google search. Now click on continue. So VWeb provides a lot of features, for example, drag and drop interface, which we will look into this video. There's a responsive design, dynamic interaction, integration, custom code support, and there's a lot. For example, beginner-friendly interface trusted by designers, developers, and businesses worldwide. Free plan available with optional paid upgrades. Now, this is the dashboard which you will find here. On the left side, this is a workspace. So for each project, you can create a new workspace here. Let's say I will just write here Ron workspace, right? Or let's say Ron dashboard. So in this way, for example, if you're working on 5 projects, you can choose here you can choose 5 workspace to create 5 projects, right? So that is really easy. Let's say we'll just go to the Ron dashboard here and simply just go and click on this create project. Now here it will ask you to go with the templates, right? So here if you want to create something which is very similar to this template, you can go with it, right? And here it provides you a lot of templates. Simply just go and click on load more and here it will show you more. But if you see carefully here, you can see there's a pricing that is $6. It means that some of the presets are not 100% completely free, they charge you, right? And that's the thing here. So if you're interested, you can go with the templates or you can start project with the VWeb AI. So let's say I will just see a new project, click on create project here. Right now with the help of AI we can create a project. So I will show you both the methods. The first one is first of all you have to give a prompt here. So type here what you want to build. So let me just give a simple prompt. So here is a very simple prompt: create a clean and modern dashboard layout in Weweb. It should have a sidebar with navigation links and you can just read the complete here. Now click on continue. By the way, if you don't have any idea how to write a prompt, you will find this sparkle icon. It will help you to create a prompt, right? So you also have that feature. Now here it says hang tight as they are creating our dashboard for completely with no code. So obviously it's going to take a time, but as it will move forward, on the center panel you will see what kind of things and what it coding, right? So you can see exactly. So you can just wait here and just come to know. Now this is the dashboard which it created and you can see here this is pretty fine. And as well as for those who don't know, this is still in the beta version. So sometimes it is still in the testing period, so it might not give you the 100% a good result. But here above it you will see this option of AI and edit. So for example, I want to edit. By the way, before moving to the edit section, here on the C it has created the layout. So it has a separate layout for everything what it's created, and this is a main content container. right? So it is in a well structured manner, and I can just give more prompt and I can ask AI to create in a lot better way. And here this is a task manager, so on everything which is this AIV web AI created, it's showing up here. Now I can ask him to execute it. For example, this is a handle search, so let's go and click on execute, and it will create a handle search here, right? And you have to enter all this information. For example, this is a workflow, so you can just give them a trigger point, and after that, once the trigger point will happen, you can just go and select your different thing, and you can also go and click on disable, copy action, duplicate, and you can even test it whether it's working properly fine or not. So if I just go and click on test here, you can see on the left side it will show you some of the results, right? So for example, I want to check the codes here, so I can check it from directly from here, what's the values here, what's the data, and how it's happening, right? So it's working perfectly fine. As you can see here, it succeed here. Now for example, I want to edit, right? So I can just go and click on edit section, and then I can just edit the entire thing, right? So for example, I will show you the edit part. For example, let me just go to the layout part, and this is edit section. Now I want to edit some of the part. For example, let's this figure, so I can just, once I click on here, automatically on the left side it will take me to that panel, right? And once I double click on it, I can change the figures here, the numbers and everything, and automatically wherever the coding data is available, it will show me exactly the same change here. Now let's say I want to change the size and everything, or I can just click and hold and move to a different location, different place here. And if you notice carefully, it took the size of entire screen here. So I can just click and hold and put it here, put a line here, and I can just, for example, click and hold, and I want on the this side. So in this way we can just add it, right? And it's completely up to you how you want to customize it, every stuff. And if you just go to the asset section, for example, I want to add an icon, so I can just go and click on custom icon, and I can create my own icon. Or if I have the asset, if I've got somewhere from, or if I've downloaded from, I can just put it here. Same goes for the plugins. You can add a different plugins here. There's some of the ways. For example, if I want to add Google Sheet, I will just go and click on add, and it will take my Google Drive access here, right? So first of all, I need to sign it into my Google account, so let's click on there. Now click on the Google account, click on given the access. I can even switch the account, right? So this is how you can do it. So for now, I will just by the way, same goes for API. You can also connect your API. So there's a lot more features. Now if you want to just check out that whether it's looking perfectly fine or not, you can just go to the preview panel, and here it will show you the exact data. Now let's say if you want to deploy it, so before deploying, there's a lot of things. For example, one of the Weweb standard feature is the ability to add interactivity. Now you can apply animation like fade, slides, and zoomed element for a polished looks, right? And you can define actions like button clicks, hover effect, or scroll trigger to activate interaction. You can connect your website to database, as I told, from the Google Sheet, Airtable, to display dynamic content like blog posts or product listing. You can use the preview mode, right, to preview how it's look. Same goes how it's look over the phone, I mean tablet, and over the phone, right? And this is for the computer screen. Now here you can just deploy, or you can just save this entire part, and you can just come back and you can edit more. Now let's say I want to publish it, right? So I can, before publishing, I can export and take all the codes, and I can just put it on a different software, or I can release it over the GitHub, right? So you can do it from here. And if you did any kind of mistake, you can just go and click on undo here, so it will just take you back, right? So this is really a good feature here. Now I will just go and click on deploy. Now click on publish here, so we'll just write here test one and click on publish. So while publishing, I can keep editing the project while deploying, so it's fine. Now, as you know, this tool help you to create engaging and interactive user experience. By the way, Weweb also offer powerful integration tools to streamline workflows. We will look here, right? So let it deploy. Now I want to just go back and show you. Or by the way, okay, this is a dark mode here, so this is pretty cool. So let's go back to now dashboard. Inside the dashboard, I've already explained you. Now this is the AI tokens, which is the free one. I can use it, and after that I need to buy. So AI is not completely 100% free here. Now this, it will show you the coded component, the members, and the team which you're working with. You can invite the guest and give them some of the specific access. This is a plan and billing of the Weweb here. Now this is a normal settings which you can change your name and something here. So I hope you understood each and every part. Now let me show you the preset part here. So let's just go and click on create a project. Now within just few seconds it will open up. Now let's say I just like this one, so I can just see demo that how it's look. And if I am, dissatisfied with the result, right, I can just go and use create project, right? So let's say this is a clean UI and click on create project here. You can rename it whenever you want. Now it will take you to the editor of Weweb. Now from here, this is the sections and everything here. And same goes here, you just need to buy some of the preset to use it, right? And once you pay for it, you will able to use this exactly, right? And this is a very clean UI. Depending upon your use case, you can just go and use it, and it is really helpful. So finally, Weweb makes it easy to publish and share your website. I hope you got and understood each and every part here. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe.